have a package. Today is a 3-piece day. And this is my gift. I really like this color. I keep seeing it on TikTok and on Pinterest, so I bit the bullet and got it. I believe I got the size extra large and now I'm regretting it. I should have gone the size large because these pants are looking a little bit big. This is meant to be comfy, so like I know that. This is amazing quality for $33. This I wanted it to be big, which is why I got the XL. Like you can literally wear this with like jeans for work and stuff like that. I am obsessed. So yeah, and then my phone is right here. I placed my grocery order at Target and 3 things were out of stock. So I need to figure out them because there were my grapes, my salad, which is one of my meals. Good morning, everyone. It is Tuesday. It's 5:46 in the morning. As you can see, I'm literally so awake right now. I don't even know what's going on. But I woke up at 4. I've been laying in bed ever since, so for like 2 hours, and I'm not going back to sleep. So I decided to be productive. And I also got this like new creamer. So I want to do my coffee because you guys know I'm in a journey of finding a good coffee. So when I was in Florida, I tried this. I'll insert a picture of the coffee that I tried. I have this, and I keep seeing this on TikTok. And this one was more expensive because Chobani is like a more expensive brand. It's supposed to be better. So this better fucking deliver. Here's how much coffee it did. It did a little bit more than last time, but that's okay. Let's see how this turns out. Moment of truth. It tastes so good. It's delicious. It's so good. I'm obsessed.
Bumping my songs, don't think that she wanna see me though. Wanna see that I'm better now, but I don't wanna be
I can do a quick little grocery haul of what I got. I got water bottles, but those are still in the car because I was not carrying them. Then I got some chips. Got some mashed potatoes. I saw this on TikTok. My obsession twist. They gave me the wrong one. I wanted to try this so bad. We're gonna do a try test. I got my favorite soups, Lipton, and I also got this. I love these. They're so easy to make. Yes, I got me some apples. I've been craving apples for like so long. And then I got some Lunchables. My grocery haul is very like as easy as possible because I'm training myself not to order food from DoorDash, as you guys know. Are these the healthiest? No, but it's a process. My favorite yogurt. I didn't know you could get a tub of strawberry yogurt with no fruit on it. It's so good. If you like Danimals when you were a kid, this literally tastes like it. My favorite salad. I love this brand. One of my favorite foods, but I've been craving a lot. Super easy. I literally just eat this with ketchup. Let's try this and see how it tastes. I think I got the wrong flavor. I don't love the flavor. It's kind of like thick and it kind of tastes like Gatorade. I need to try a different flavor. This, not my favorite.
I just wanna talk. Are they making money?
Hi everyone, I'm in the office and there's literally no one currently here. But we were supposed to have a meeting with TikTok, but they sent us look how cute this is. They sent us so much merch. And then we got this like, I love this. I'm gonna wear this literally tomorrow. This like TikTok zip up hoodie. I got this sweatshirt because there's a bunch of them left. I would have preferred like an extra large, but these are large and it's like very thick, and then it has a TikTok, what is it? Very subtle TikTok logo right there. And then they send over these clippers. The waterproof Bluetooth speakers, which I grabbed today because it was not on my bag. I was like, hello, I bought 2 octobodies that said TikTok. And then got a hat, which is black. I really like how everything's super black, but like it looks like I work at TikTok. The totes are so cute. They're like I don't even know. Like what? Camera. I've been waiting for this for so long. Honestly, like a few days. I just realized I never bought the memory card. It is refurbished, so it's not like the original. It doesn't come in the original packaging. Oh my god. I'm very excited. Hopefully it's not too beat up. Oh, this looks literally brand new. Oh my god. It's so tiny. I am so excited. I've seen so many videos about this. The quality is really good. And it's so small. Like, this is gonna be perfect for my trip to France. Like, I do have big hands, but here's a case on my phone. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed.
I take a loss, call it love.